This memorial is dedicated to the 273 victims of the crash of American Airlines Flight 191. In the early summer of 1979, the left engine would separate from the plane upon takeoff from O'Hare International Airport. The resulting crash would claim the lives of all on board and become the greatest air disaster in U.S. history. But the tragedy still haunts the residents of the trailer park where the plane crashed into the earth. The constant drone of jets overhead is an omnipresent reminder of the lives lost that fateful summer. If the physical reminders aren't enough, the invisible ones do the trick. At night, in the area of the nearby Devil's Ditch, phantom white lights roam the crash site. Screams and moans are frequent as well. Every year on the anniversary of the crash, phantom knockers appear at the front doors of trailer park residents. They say there's been a crash. They ask to use the phone.